Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are embarking on an exciting adventure as we explore some of the best furniture stores right here in Hyderabad. Whether you're looking to furnish your new home or just want to give your space a fresh look, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right into a furniture shopping guide. The first store we will look at is Bonntrue, which is known for its diverse range of premium furniture. The quality of every piece here is exceptional. They have an honest pricing policy where they claim that they are completely transparent with the prices, and thus they have mostly affordable furniture. But remember that if you're looking for traditional furniture pieces, then there are not much of those in Bonntrue. Instead, you will find stunning, modern, contemporary, and even eclectic style furniture. Let's look at some of our favorite pieces from Bonntrue. It is an Italian luxury furniture store located in Madhapur, and they have very notable Italian brands. They do not have an online shopping option yet, so you will have to personally visit the store to check out the furniture pieces. They do offer high-end luxurious furniture that especially suits interior themes like modern and contemporary. They have everything from recliners to bar stools and mattresses. You can shop online from their website or even visit their physical stores in the city. It has mostly wood and fabric used in the furniture pieces, so if you're in the market looking for mid-century modern or Scandinavian themed furniture, then this is the perfect store for you. Now, since this store has almost everything related to furniture, it could be your one-stop shop for furniture shopping. The physical store of Royal Oak is at Banjara Hills and Manikonda, but you can also check out their website. They have a variety of international collections like American, Emperor, Malaysian, Italian, and even Turkish. Such variety of collection is not easily available in any other store in the city. And for those of you on a budget, fear not. They also have a fantastic range of affordable yet stylish options. You don't have to break the bank to bring their furniture pieces into your home. It is a furniture store with everything from kitchens, bathrooms, and living rooms to bedrooms, gardens, and even outdoor furniture. But we recommend them for their garden furniture specifically. They have a stunning garden furniture collection when compared to other stores, and they also have a variety of range. They do have an online store, so you can check that out. The Colosseum at Jubilee Hills is the epitome of luxury and style. From chic sofas to elegant dining sets, it has a fantastic selection. One thing we love about this place is the variety of styles, catering to different tastes and preferences. Their grand physical store located in Jubilee Hills always has beautiful furniture sets on display. If you're looking for a high-end luxury furniture store, then this is it. The last store on our list is IKEA. It's a one-stop shop for affordable and stylish furniture. Whether you're a student on a budget or just someone who loves a good deal, IKEA has an impressive selection at prices that won't break the bank. They also have a wide range of pieces that are known for their versatility. And there you have it, a furniture shopping guide for Hyderabad. We have added the links of each store in the description below. We hope you enjoyed this guide, and if you have a favorite furniture store in town, then do let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might need it. Happy shopping! Goodbye!